Approximately 200,000 individuals who were previously associated with the opposition groups have purportedly become members of ZANU-PF through its Commercial-Warm-Ekhaya initiative over the recent years. Under the ZANU-PF Commissariat Department, the KHE initiative is overseen by Blessing Chebundo, a former member of parliament from the MDC who currently serves as its director. In an interview with the Sunday Mail, Chebundo expressed the department's commitment to continuing outreach efforts aimed at encouraging individuals from opposition parties to join the ruling party. Notable figures from the opposition include Gift Konjani, Talakalani Matibe, and Virginia Mafuta in Mashonaland West Province are among the most recent individuals to align themselves with ZANU-PF. During a gathering held for them in Chegutu, they cited ZANU-PF's policies focused on development as the reason for their decision to join the party. The shift of opposition members to ZANU-PF has resulted in a reduction of the political influence of opposition parties. This has also led to heightened internal divisions within the opposition, with some members expressing doubts about the defections and the effectiveness of their leadership. Thank you for watching the Red Corner YouTube channel.